What's up guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to enable or disable iPhone lock with Face ID. This is a helpful feature for quickly securing your device or adjusting your Face ID preferences, especially if you want to switch between using Face ID and your passcode. Start by opening up your Settings app. This is where all of your iPhone's preferences and options are managed. Inside Settings, scroll down until you find the option labeled Face ID and Passcode and tap on it. For security purposes, you'll be prompted to enter your device's passcode. Type your passcode to proceed. This section controls all Face ID related settings and also includes options for passcode requirements. Once you're inside the Face ID and passcode settings, you'll see a section titled Use Face ID for with a few options below it. Look for the option labeled iPhone Unlock. Next to iPhone Unlock, there's a switch that controls whether Face ID is enabled for unlocking your iPhone. To enable Face ID for unlocking, make sure the switch next to iPhone Unlock is toggled on. When Face ID is enabled, your phone will automatically scan your face to unlock as soon as it recognizes you, allowing for quick, hands-free access to your device. If it's your first time enabling Face ID Unlock, you may be prompted to enter your passcode after enabling it. This initial passcode entry confirms that Face ID is securely linked to your device. And after this setup, you can unlock your iPhone with Face ID. To disable Face ID for unlocking your iPhone, simply toggle the iPhone Unlock switch off. When Face ID is disabled, you'll need to manually enter your passcode each time you want to unlock your device. This setting might be preferable if you want to prioritize security by ensuring that no facial recognition is involved in unlocking your iPhone. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.